Folks, this next hunt takes place in northern Missouri with a couple crazy nuts and some really good friends of ours, Candi and Candi Dunlap. And when these hunts are over, you're going to see why everybody wants to come to northern Missouri and harvest these monster gobblers.
Hey, we're sitting up here on this ridge, and there's 2 gobblers down over the hill. We're going to try and call them in and see if we can't jelly a head.
Take your safety off. Wait. Hold you tight. Hold on. It's too tight. Not shooting at one time.
Okay.
Hold on. Clear, hold on. The one that's on the gobbler decoy. When it's clear, you kill it. Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Got it.
Stay on the one that's on the gobbler decoy.
Got it. Yeah.
Stay tight on the net. Ready?
Ready. Son of a... I did it! Oh.
Wait. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Put your safety on. Put your safety on. Hey, look at me, pull your mask down.
Oh my
Think of that?
Oh, I understand why everybody cries now. Holy sh! Excuse me. I killed it. I did it. Oh my gosh, that thing popped. I mean, he went down. Baby, what do you do? Woo! Yeah, baby.
Look at that smash.
Look
she
at
did
this
to the
nice
head.
band. Hey,
Whoa!
jelly ahead, baby. Jelly ahead. Woo!
That was amazing.
Look how pretty this is. He is gorgeous.
Hold him up, let's see his beard. Nice beard too.
Wait, my hair.
How big is it?
Oh, he's huge. I think he's about my size, 3 foot tall. With a beard down to his ears.
Oh my god.
Let me see the spurs.
Oh.
Holy.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Yeah, baby! Give me 5. Yeah.
Well, what'd you guys think?
Oh, this is awesome. The best
Great.
part was whenever Cal said they were coming in, oh my gosh, he said, don't move, Candi. So I sat really still, and oh, beautiful, 3 gobblers coming in.
It was a beautiful
And
sight.
they attacked the decoy. It was awesome. Rushed right in on him and got on him, and I just plowed him. It was awesome.
did.
Yeah, it was awesome.
That was amazing. This just wasn't a hunt. This was a perfect hunt.
Oh, very perfect. Couldn't be perfect.
Cool.
Yay! Woohoo! Ooh, that was a nice kick.
Congratulations,
Woo!
girl.
Yay, Kelly!
Annetta.
Hey, baby.
Woo!
Yay! Hoo-hoo!
Look at that beautiful fan. Hold that out there.
It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous.
Well, that was an amazing hunt Candi had. But now Kenny's up, and there's still several monster gobblers roaming around, and we're getting ready to start chasing them. Coming right at the decoys. Stay tight. I'll leave Kenny in the screen. You gotta get the tight shot.
Smoked the old Benelli.
Hey, what a hunt this morning, huh?
Oh, it's excellent. Super.
We got set up in here yesterday and Candi killed a giant bird, and we came back in here. Kenny called me late last night and said, Cal, we got to get in there and shoot another one of them big old long spurred turkeys. And we had the one picked out with the short tail feathers on each side, but there were so many of them we decided, hey, well, there's got to be one come in. And behind us this morning, one came in behind us, stuck his head over the hill, ran back over. We're not sure if it was this one or not. But did you pick this one up coming all the way down the field?
This one comes center down the field.
So we got set up here. It was a little late this morning. The bird was over a half mile away down. I started hitting him with the slate call. And I had to beat Candi a little bit this morning. She was getting a little antsy, wanting to move around. And, you know, so after we got her all calmed down and Annetta got ready, I got ready. We started doing a beautiful sweet talk. And all I know is that my man here is shaking and we got feathers all over the ground.
Amen.
Adrenaline rush.
Hey, good job, brother. Good job.
Down,
Good
yeah.
job, honey.
Good job, guys.
Good job, buddy.
Thank
Congratulations.
you. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Great.
That's awesome.
Hey, and the good part, this thing has got 3 beards on him.
Yeah.
3 big old beards, big old spurs.
Awesome.
Great Eastern.
Woohoo!
Yay.
Well, this is a wrap right here, folks. 2 days with Kenny and Candi Dunlap. I need a beer, I need some food, I need about 2 days of recuperation. As you can see, Candi is holy cow, she's a handful. So,
I love candy.
hey, we're gonna take her back to the house. We're gonna wrap her up in some duct tape. We're gonna beat her, give her a little discipline.
Help me!
And then, hey, we'll see you back here next year with Candi and Kenny Dunlap. We'll see you, folks. Now those were 2 monster gobblers in northern Missouri and a ball of fun. So let's talk about the strategies behind both of these hunts. The first thing we're going to talk about is shooting sticks. Whenever I take someone to the woods, whether it's the first time or it's the 10th time they've been, I try to talk everyone into shooting sticks. It keeps your arms from getting tired and it's going to make you miss less. When you get set up, you point the gun right at the decoy spread, right where the gobblers are going to come into, and you simply don't move. And that's going to lead me into my next strategy, is set the decoys up so that you don't have to move your gun very far left or right, especially when you're hunting with someone that doesn't have a lot of experience turkey hunting. And on this setup, I tried to set the decoys so that they were only about 5 yards apart left to right, but more depth front to back, maybe 6 or 7 steps apart. So that kept my kill zone very, very centrally located, so that the hunter didn't have to move the gun. Now, third is the calling strategies. These old gobblers were locked up in a strut zone on the next ridge. They wouldn't move. We called and called and called. We finally got set up in an area where I felt like we could call them in. It literally took me over an hour. I used a diaphragm, I used a slate call. Everybody in the group was calling. But finally, after an hour of calling, we convinced these gobblers to come in. So don't be afraid to get aggressive and call a lot. Folks, if you try these strategies on your next hunt, if you're in northern Missouri or anywhere in the country, I know they're going to work for you. Thanks for being with me on the 15-Yard Files.
In the woods where you can't see the forest for all the cottonwood trees, my little humble abode sits back in a hole where nothing don't bother me. And in the spring of the year when the big birds strut, you can bet I'm gonna call. I'll be hunting tom turkeys and eating deer jerky that we killed back in the fall. I got a blonde-haired, green-eyed beauty queen. She knows how to treat me right.